service learner with the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today for Make It Monday, we will be making customized marble ornaments. This activity is especially exciting if you have little ones and want them to channel their creative side a little bit more. I've been doing this project every year since I was a kid and I never get tired of it. So today I will be showing you all how to make your own custom ornament. Okay, so you do not need many materials for this DIY project. All you need is a clear ornament with a top that comes off, an array of multi-surface acrylic paint. Here I have white, 2 shades of pink because pink is my favorite color, and red to be a little festive, but of course you can choose whatever colors you want, and a lot of paper towel because it will get a little messy. Optional things, you can also buy stuff to decorate the outside of the ornament after you've marbled the inside. For this ornament, I got this cute little ribbon with snowflakes on it to wrap around the top of the ornament once I'm done. And I also got some stickers to decorate the outside of the ornament with. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is taking the top off of the ornament so that we're left with an opening to pour our paint into. From here, you can pretty much do whatever you want, but what I'm doing is I'm taking the color that I want to be most prominent, which is the metallic pink, and starting to squeeze the paint into the sides of the ornament. I'm squeezing the paint and focusing it mostly to the edges of the ornament so that it can pour the rest of the way down. I like doing this because it leaves a nice swirl pattern once I start to add the other colors. As you can see, I'm starting with one color and adding the other colors as I see fit. There's no right or wrong way to do this part. I am also tapping the sides so that the paint will swirl around the ornament a lot better. But for the most part, I'm just doing whatever feels right and having fun with it. Again, you can play around and do whatever you want, but just a few tips would be to not be shy with the amount of paint you're using. The more paint you use, the more you'll get that marble effect. And also, tapping on the sides of the ornament allow the paint to drip a lot faster. It's not shown, but another helpful trick is to turn the ornament upside down every once in a while and let the excess paint drip out, so that you get a better idea of what the ornament will look like as it's drying. Once you're satisfied with how your ornament looks, you can leave it upside down onto a paper towel for 2 to 3 hours, depending on how long it takes the paint to dry. Now that my marbled ornament is dry on the inside, I'm just going to add some more decorations to the outside of the ornament to make it a little bit more unique. There are a lot of different ways you can decorate the outside of your ornament. Here I'm using stickers and a ribbon, but you can also use a paint pen to draw on the outside of your ornament, as well as add glitter or any other craft supplies that you may have laying around your house. I hope you all enjoyed making your ornaments. Here is a little close-up of mine. I tied a little ribbon off camera and taped it to the top of my ornament. And I also had this big space right here, and I didn't really like how any of the stickers looked in that area, so I took a paint pen and drew my initial with a heart, and I love my ornament so much. One of the things that I love about this project is that when you do this with the whole family, it's very easy to tell whose ornament belongs to who based on the colors of paint they pick, the decorations they put outside of the ornament, and just how they customize it in general. Another thing that I adore about this project is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can really put anything on the outside of the ornament to make it more unique to you and your creative side. I hope you all enjoyed this activity, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!